Yeah. So I've had a lot of social anxiety and some depression for a while, most of my high school experience. A lot of that stems from being gay in a small town setting. I started going to therapy. I got medication, started doing better, went and volunteered at the bird sanctuary because I liked birds. It became a safe place for me. I ended up adopting her because she really did. I felt that she helped me, and we formed a bond, and I started noticing how she helped me. I always felt more comfortable when I had Al. I like talking about her. It actually helps with my social anxiety that way. She'll say hello for me. It's, I don't know, gives me something to talk about and gives me like a reason to talk to people, which is nice because I didn't really have a lot of that where I used to live. Come here.
Hello.
Hi. I shake her around a little bit. Peekaboo. Yeah, and she'll say peekaboo. That was kind of garbled, but yeah. I can tell that she loves me just like I love her.